Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change Facebook account to page account in a very easy way. First, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Facebook. Then tap your profile. Here it's a Facebook account. Tap these three dots. Scroll down. Turn on professional mode. Turn on. Next. Next. I change it to public. Next. Confirm. Next. Next. Skip. Go to professional dashboard. Okay, it is done. Now go to your profile. I see my followers, 2K following and 5.2K followers. If you don't see this, just close Facebook and open it. Tap profile, you will see it. That's all. Have a nice time.